To Draymond Green playing the rover off of Rondo.
Much better at making plays off his great shot making.
Mirotić, no hesitation.
On the floor tonight, I would definitely have handed out a double technical foul to set the tempo, as Mark said early in the game.
Both teams' defensive schemes are similar, Mike, as Davis makes the three shots.
Meanwhile, Rondo hit 3 3-pointers in game 2. Hill left open. Hill rattles it home. Hamstring injury. He only had 4 3-pointers all season. As Moore banks it home.
It did start to happen late in the first quarter.
A little better ball movement. You know, we got to put it on the floor, drive and kick, try to go from a good
2 wins in Boston. Rondo to Mirotić. Mirotić up and under, banks it home.
There will be 3 Holiday boys in the league next year, which is a tremendous accomplishment.
Mirotić from downtown. Mirotić left wide open. Back to Rondo. Shot clock at 5. Mirotić, quick catch. Pass inside. Beautiful entry.
An extremely talented passer. And good finish by Looney.
Nice entry again. Davis sneaks inside between the shot clock and game clock. Rondo. Nice inside. Beautiful pass. The coach knows the Golden State Warriors. It is Alvin Gentry, who is the associate head coach, as Moore's layup is good and a foul. What a floor game Rondo has had tonight. Clark, he is feeling it. And Clark. Clark drives, Clark finishes. Holiday is also a terrific passer. As Davis knocks down another, he's got 29. Holiday back out, Rondo. Fakes the 3, out to Davis. Davis off the dribble and throws it down.
Backing off and letting him, on his own time, make decisions.
Davis. Nice pass. There's assist number 21.